Hi, this is Rose Luna, and I would like to show you how to use Google Translate to translate a web page, but also Google Classroom. So I already have Google Translate installed. You can see the icon here at the top. And I have a web page that I might want to share with an ELL family, but they speak Spanish, not English. So what I'm going to do is right-click on the web page, and here in the middle of this box where it says Translate to English, I'm going to click there. And notice when I click there that the icon, the Google Translate icon, is going to appear up here by the star. So I click Translate to English. Now my Google Translate icon has appeared here, and it's currently set to English. I'm going to click on the three dots to the right. I'm going to select Choose Another Language. And there is a drop-down menu. I select it. And here I have a multitude of choices for all the different languages available. If I want to make it quicker, I'd like to select Spanish. So I'm going to type in SP on Spanish. And now I just need to hit the blue button here at the top that says Translate. Once I've done that, you can see the article here. It's an article on the importance of reading aloud to older kids. And so the whole article has been translated. And that's great, really helpful if you're assigning web pages or sharing information with families. But now let's take a look at a Google Classroom page. So here's Google Classroom. It's here in English, but I work with ELL students and families that speak Spanish. And they're already having a hard time in some cases figuring out how to find the homework assignments. And then you also have the language barrier. So how can we make this easier for our students and families? Well, by showing them how to use Google Translate, they can do the same thing they did with the other web page. They could right-click here. Currently, it's set to Spanish because we just did that web page. So if I just click here, you see it's on Spanish up here at the top, and you can see everything's in Spanish. The title of the classroom, here's the classwork, trabajo en clase, people, personas. Here I've asked them to check out these ebooks and audiobooks. You can listen to Harry Potter for free. And here is a website that I posted in the stream. If the student or parents clicks here, again, they can right-click, translate to Spanish, and this article is in Spanish. If I want to go back and flip to English, I just click English, so I have the option to go back and forth. So within Google Classroom, you can change a web page that opens up. Here I've also placed a Google slide, but in this case, for Google Slides, it is not going to translate the content on the slides. But you can see how having Google Translate available is just a wonderful tool to help communicate with our ELL students and families. And again, if you want another language other than Spanish, you could just go to the icon at the top here, click the three dots, choose another language. I could choose Chinese traditional, translate, and now it's in Chinese. So tons of options and ways to use this in Google Classroom with our students.